All right, on site, Brothers 2, day 1, Lorne's basement. So we're putting in a bathroom, an office, a workout room, mechanical room, bedroom. This is wide open, big fireplace, stone to the ceiling, usual knockdown, LED lights, LVP I believe, possibly carpet in this area, tile. It's gonna look awesome. Day 1, here we go. All right, on site, day 2 at Lorne's in Cranston. So yesterday we got the bathroom all framed in. This bedroom's framed in. The gym workout room, I know it's pretty small, but that's what they want to call it. And we got the other bedroom all framed in. Of course, we're framing in for barn doors everywhere, so it's going to look really cool when it's done. There you go. Today we are going to frame in the fireplace and finish framing in this little mechanical room area, and then we're going to start on bulkheads. We have 9 of them to do. Yeehaw. Brothers 2. All right, back on site with Brothers 2. We are 6 days in and we're ready for drywall. So we got everything framed in, as you can see. I'll go slow because I know sometimes it makes some of you nauseous. I get complaints. You're a little too fast on the video. Everything's framed in. We got all the electrical in. We had True Electric in, of course. Chris and Sam and the boys in to do all of my electric as usual. Looks amazing. Had Pete in to do all the plumbing. Everything's passed inspection and we are ready for drywall. As you can tell by the massive amounts of drywall stacked in this basement. It's bigger than it looks. And I think we have one happy client, but I'm not sure. Woo! All right. Brothers 2 out. We'll be in touch. All right, back on site with Brothers 2. Lorne's reno update. All the drywall's in. It's all been painted and all the electrical has been finished. So I think the fireplace looks amazing. If you're wondering what that is, that's the TV mount. We got a 70-inch going up here. This is the new fireplace from Barbecue Galore that has the heat exchange. So all your heat now, you get some resonating out the front, but the majority comes up and gets shot out the top. Okay. Bathroom is just finished tiling. There we go. Look at that beauty, eh? Isn't that gorgeous? Artistic tile. My buddy Maris does all the tiling. Tanner and I put the vanity in. It's a suspended vanity from IKEA. Some lighting. Floor and of course tile baseboard. Looks beauties. Oh, and in-floor heat, of course. Everything else has been painted, as I stated before, and we were ready for flooring. So I got Ryan in from Hawaiian Flooring on Monday. He's going to put all the luxury vinyl plank in, and the 2 bedrooms here, well, the office, and the workout room get carpet. There we go. Then we'll be in to finish up. Base case, a little bit of touch-ups, mount the TV. That fireplace is epic, eh? Holy snap, and that thing's beautiful. There we go. Brothers 2 out. So our client asked us to come up with some secret passage doors. Here's what we come up with. So here's a mirror on the wall in your workout room, and ooh, secret passage. Nice. Perfect. On drawer slides, hidden drawer slides. There's another one here. You'd never know until you walk up to it. Push it to the side. Go through here. Perfect. Well done. Another Brothers 2 contracting first. Hidden passageways. Little update on Lorne's place. So we got the 4K TV going with the fireplace and the crazy sound surround. We got 5 speakers in the ceiling. Big subwoofer down here. Unbelievable. This TV's unreal. 74-inch, Tanner? I think it's 74-inch 4K. Unreal. All right, on site with Brothers 2. Lorne's job is complete. Beautiful, beautiful reno here done by Brothers 2. Super proud of this one. Big fireplace, 74-inch TV, all new window trims, sound surround, beautiful barn doors to a master suite. Really nice job here. All knocked down ceiling. This will be the workout room. Looks like it's the balloon party room. Another bedroom here. Turn some lights on. And of course, the bathroom. Beautiful tile here done by Maris. Seamless doors. Heated floor. Just gorgeous. This is a job for a WestJet exec. They're super happy. I'm sure we'll be getting a sparkling recommendation. And yeah, it was a great job. Really enjoyed it. Kind of miss it actually. It's nice watching TV here by the fire. Brothers 2 out.